guys, for today's video, another safety tips for this product. Every dive can carry the risk of decompression illness, even if you follow a dive schedule or a dive computer schedule. A dive computer cannot anticipate and measure changes in your physiology. Therefore, divers should try to keep within the limits indicated by the instrument to engage in activities. It is recommended that you consult your physician before diving. There is no algorithm, formula, theorem, dive calculator, or dive planner in the world that can completely eliminate the risk of decompression illness or oxygen poisoning. The physical condition of the individual may change from time to time due to environmental factors, so this product cannot completely help you avoid diving injury. The best way to avoid diving injuries is not to dive. The test depth of this product is 100 meters or 330 feet. This product is only for recreational diving. It is strongly recommended that the diver should not exceed the maximum diving depth of 40 meters or 130 feet, or the maximum allowable depth of your training. Please note that your safety is in your hands and your own responsibility. Divers are prohibited from wearing this dive computer watch for divers that exceed the non-decompression limit and require decompression. Once the computer indicates that the NDL limit has been exceeded, you should immediately stop the dive. Start the ascent and proceed to the safe stop procedure. Please keep an eye on the speed of ascent, the depth and the duration of the stay, and keep an eye out for flashes, warning signs, and arrowheads. See you on my next video.